Premiere Pro finally added word-by-word captions in their latest update. This is something I've been waiting for many years now. As someone who creates short-form content and uses word-by-word captions all the time, there's so many fundamental issues, so your best option always been to use After Effects or a third-party plugin. But from now on, we can finally create word-by-word captions. So here's this clip. I should be talking to the YouTube CEO, and if we set the in and out points and go to text and click transcript, we can go ahead and retranscribe sequence. This is so far the same, but now if you click create captions and click this drop down menu, what you can see now is a new option called single word. Finally. So far in the past years, if you wanted to create word-by-word captions, your best possible option was to click single line and slide all these down, create captions after choosing your style. This was your best option, and this is what I've been doing for years. And as you can see, I selected single line, and this is 2 lines, 3 words, and many times the split points just did not make any sense. And so every time what I had to do was this. Many seconds and minutes wasted just to separate words manually, but now you can just click one button and even remove punctuation, and it creates the captions very fast. And as you can see, now it is actually word by word. If you think about it programmatically, this has been such a simple solution, and it's like frustrating how long it took for Premiere to implement such a fundamental feature, but finally we have it. Now, a few things that are still not perfect. Removing punctuation removes every punctuation. I want to remove commas and periods, but I do want to keep question marks. So if you want to do that as well, I just recommend you to search for period, replace all, comma, replace all. This was my method previously, and as you can see, the question marks remain there. And the second problem is these gaps throughout the entire thing, which makes no sense because there's no pause here, so there's no reason for these gaps, and it also looks very bad. And the third problem that is still a returning problem is just synchronization.
The World Cup. How you feeling?
Words aren't necessarily appearing at the exact same time when they are being spoken, so what I usually do is just move the entire caption lane by 2 or 3 frames, and then it seems accurate.
How you feeling?
Awesome. How many matches have you been to so far?
I've been to 20 matches.
And by the way, if this is too fast for you or you want some words to be together, you can set a shortcut to merge these two. So as you can see, I have a shortcut set to merge selected caption segments, and it's 0. So if I want to merge something, I can just click 0, select 0.
How many matches have you been to so far?
And it's super fast, super efficient, and then you can just upgrade to graphics, and now you have single word captions. After all this time, finally a useful update. This update is very promising. I really hope they'll add more useful updates like this. Not some crazy AI spectacle that no one needs, but simple bug fixes, very simple solutions like this one that actually helps people speeding up their workflows. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or have suggestions on what I should make a video on, then let me know in the comments and I might do it.